Here's the issue every Etsy sellers face. You have a great product, but your listing photos look amateur, right? You have the white background, the screenshots, the boring images, right? The boring product by itself. But Pinterest won't share them just like that, okay? So customers will scroll past these, and hiring a photographer, you know that will be very expensive just for a single product shot. So today I'm going to show you the mockup generator inside of Pincraft AI. It creates one professional mockup at a time, but once you see how fast and easy this is, you'll want to create mockups for the entire shop. Okay, so let us get started. So we are inside Pincraft AI and we will click on the mockup generator. So over here, I will upload a product and show you how this awesome tool works. Okay. So I have pre-downloaded some items. So I will download this gold planner, right? I will just insert that, just let the product know that this is a planner, okay? So I will scroll down. So over here you have core markup settings and you know, a lot of stuff that you can do, okay? So we can insert a heading here. We can say free printable or whatever you like to say. You can insert your website here as well. Under here, you can change the font, the position of the title on the product image or the pin. Okay, so for example, I'm showing you how to create pins for Pinterest for your products. Okay, right. So we will put this at the top. We'll put about 8%, but I'll show you the trick afterwards. Okay, so for the footer, right, remember we inserted the footer at the top. You can put that at whatever size and whatever font. Of course, when it comes to design, you may want to have the same font for the title and the footer. So what was the font we have? Impact. So we may want to put impact here for, okay, I'm not seeing impact. Okay, so let us choose a font that we can easily use on both. So we will use this font, the Arial Black, right? The shadow, do we want strong shadow? We can adjust this later, right? So we can leave this and we go to presets. So presets is where it's all sort of gets exciting to me because we can choose different presets. Okay, so this is a digital product. So we can choose, we can look on the settings for digital product and we can choose something here. Okay. Okay, so I have decided to choose professional office settings. Okay, so that is what I will work with. We have this feature enhanced with AI, but this is locked for now. Okay, because I still have some work to do on that. So we will click on generate markup. But before we do that, I would like to show you this neat feature down here. So when you click on professional setting, it will basically give you the prompt that is being used. So if you want to make alterations, you can do so. If you want to insert your own personalized prompt, you can do that here as well. Then you click on generate markup, guys, and this is where the magic happens. This is so cool. And here is our booklet on the table, right? So you may not be happy with this, but of course you can use this for Pinterest, all right? So you can make some changes with the text at the top here. So let us scroll down and we can make the text larger or smaller, as you can see here, right? We can make it smaller. We can, you know, make the shadow a little subtle, or we can remove the shadow altogether. But yeah, we want to have the shadow very strong. And in the bottom here, you can even use color picker to sort of match the overall aesthetic of the image if you like. And you can choose to have a strong shadow here or not. So it's not great. So we can just change it to another font, another color, just like this one. Okay, so this is beautiful. And we put a strong shadow. See how beautiful this is looking, and we can make this larger or make it as small as we want. You see how easy this is? Ooh, this is so cool, right? And all you have to do is click on download and your image will download. And this is how it will look. Let me bring it in. So this is how your image will look. It is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. So we have this one image here and we can make more changes here. So what we can do is change the preset. So we have the office preset. I usually like the flat lay preset. Okay, guys. So we can do the flat lay, or let us look at what we can do. Oh, product in hand. Oh, sorry, this is phone in hand. Let us look at product in hand is another feature I love. Right, hands using product. Wow. Only what we'll do is make changes to the prompt right here. And we can just scroll up to regenerate image and see what we get. Okay. Right. So guys, it basically try to show the inside of the product, right? So you may not like this, right? You can easily generate that again, right? So let us regenerate to see what other image we can get. Right, so as you can see, it has regenerated the product and basically AI will mess up, okay? This is not how the inside of my product looks. So what I will do is choose another preset. So guys, I am not hiding the flaws. You know AI messes up. Everything messes up, okay? So let us just do a simple flat lay and see how that goes. Okay, so I think the flat lay is looking so much better, right? Don't you? Okay, it is looking really good. If you want, you can change the name, but goals planner, right? See how beautiful it is looking. And we can customize this further by changing the font. So we can use this font, or I really like the impact font, but I'm not seeing, oh, here the impact. Yes, so we have the impact font for both options. We can change this back to white. Let us change this back to white, or can we put a brighter color? Okay, so we can even change the font color of the planner, the name of the planner, the title of the planner, right? Probably a pink, but that I think this is too light for it. So let us try a green maybe. No, it's not working. Okay. But I think the white is fine, so we'll just stick with the white. Or we can use a brighter color, such as a yellow. But I think the white is perfect with the shadow. And there you go. You have your planner markup. That is very popular on Etsy, and I will upload it now. It is a wall art, okay? So we can just insert wall art and let us just play around with the markups and see what we get for this one. Okay, so for the wall art, we can insert wall art here, maybe, right? We can leave the website for now and let us leave the sizing here and let us just play with the presets. Okay, so for that, let us select the design style. Now, I think I would leave the design style and leave photorealistic, right? So leave that. Okay, I think this is good. So note here what I did. You can click on the little arrow button to collapse or open this panel here. Okay, so we will focus on even this. The text overlay, we can collapse that one and focus on the design style here. Okay, so let us try cozy morning, right? And see what we get. Oh, wow, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh, this is this cozy morning wall art. I think that's it. Let us download this, right? And let us try another setting. This one, can we do a seasonal theme for this one? So we can do a seasonal theme. What do we have coming up? Easter. Okay, so let us just work on Easter and keep this professional. So you guys, if you're interested in this tool, you can feel free to purchase right now. So we have the minimalist lifestyle and we have the Easter theme. So we actually got the minimalist lifestyle, but we didn't get the Easter theme. So what I would do is, so remove this, right, the scene, and I will just click on generate. Okay, so I guess this is the closest we can get to Easter vibes. So this is perfect. So guys, take note, if you want to use the seasonal theme mockups, then you'll have to uncheck, right? Remove the check here, selection on use custom scene prompt override, okay? Because if you click on this, you will get these mockups here, right? So look at the Easter theme. It is beautiful, okay? And that is your wall art styling, all right? Next, I would like to upload a product that is very popular on Etsy, and that is your wedding invitation. Right. So for the wedding invitation, we have that uploaded as well, right? And we want to create our pins so that we can advertise our Etsy product. So let us go to course settings. We can leave the Easter, or we can choose something like a St. Patrick's Day theme. And let us click on the overlay text, and we can insert wedding invitation, but for now I think we should leave this blank. Okay, so let's click on this, go back to course settings, and you can leave your website and just remove that. Okay, and let us click on generate. If you note, I didn't include anything here in the one sentence description because I forgot, right? But anyway, this is so good, it will pick it up, right? So this is what we have for St. Patrick's Day. Okay, as you can see, as you see here, you will see the little clover here and so forth. And of course, we can still put our text overlay right here. So we can put wedding invitation, right? So we have wedding invitation right here. And we can come over here to make for more customization on this. Okay, if you want, you can choose another color, just for if you want it to stand out more. Okay, right? So we have wedding invitation, and you can even put wedding invitation template if you like, right? So, and you can make the font smaller or larger. It's up to you. Okay, right? So we have a wedding invitation markup. You can download this, right? And you can even say, okay, I want to upload it without the text overlay, so you can delete your text overlay, right? And you may want a markup for using, like probably have it in hand. Let us try that one again. Okay, so I have something like a candle coffee table. Let's just try that one and see how that look. Okay, so this is not what I was hoping for, okay? But I was wrong. I selected the wrong mockup. As you can see, you have to ensure that you select the mockup, the right mockup, because this is for physical products, not digital products. All right, so let me choose something on the digital products. We have, let us try the, oh wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Come on, guys, this is so beautiful. right? You can use it just like that. Okay, so you can type in your heading, right? Wedding invitation. And you can leave it as is. You can change the text. You can, well, we can do a lot with this. Okay, you can make it a little larger, as you see here. We have the shadow, which is, okay, so you have extra bold, right? I'm not sure that's a font weight, extra bold. You can change the font. Let's try it out, right? But guys, I really like the impact font. It's really nice and bold right there in your face, okay? Okay guys, so this is it. So with this tool, very rare you will get any problems with misspelling, right? And it make you work much quicker. Okay, so if you're a digital product seller, whether it's on Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, on wherever, you will need to advertise your product, and I think this is the best way to advertise it on Pinterest. You can also use this to get your images for your Etsy shop as well. Okay, so if you go back over to core settings, you can change the sizing over here, right? And that will basically save you a lot of time. You can easily upload anywhere else, on Etsy, on Facebook, wherever else you want to insert your product photo. Right, guys, I think this is a time saver. All right, and it will make your workflow much better. Right, so guys, if you are interested in this product, it is called Pincraft AI. So if you're interested in that, feel free to go ahead and sign up. The link is below, and for the first 50 to 100 members, you will be locked in the founder price, which is $19 a month. Okay, so go ahead, try it out, and let me know what you think about this product. Is it saving you time? And as you can see, we have other areas that we are working on in this product to make it extremely efficient for you, so that you can save time. And that's the reason why I created this product, because I wanted to save time when it comes to content creation, okay, on Pinterest. All right, especially for my digital product, because it took me so many hours to just to create a simple pin in Canva, just to create a simple product photo or a pin in Canva. Right now we can do it much faster, right? So go ahead and sign up today. Okay, if you want to know how you can easily sell your digital products using Pinterest, please feel free to watch this video next right here. Bye, I'll see you over there.